Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Why have one bubble gun when you can have two? When it comes to fun, I don't think you can get better than these bubble guns from JOYIN. Now it says they're for kids, but I have to tell you, it was the adults that were having a blast with these. It's crazy how many bubbles come out effortlessly from these. It really is as simple as just holding down the trigger. And I really love the fact that there are no leaks with these. So it's really simple. You just attach the solution they come with, and that's it. They have absolutely no leaks no matter which way I was turning this. And they are lightweight and easy to use, and it's crazy how much fun it is to just blow bubbles by holding down the trigger. Indoors or outside, they were fantastic. The fact that you get two is really great, and those bubbles, that solution lasted and lasted. So we definitely had fun, especially for pool parties outside. These would be great for weddings as well. They were just an absolute blast. Everyone enjoyed them. These are fantastic. They have added so much fun to every family gathering, young or old. Love them, and I am not exaggerating. And that is my point of view.